Praise God from whom all blessings flow. Happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers and just the mothers. Today is you guys' day. Rest in peace. My grandmother raised me, Miss Gladys Lattimore. You know, I just want to send a happy Mother's Day to her. But I still have my mother here, and I still want to send Mrs. Deborah Gant a happy Mother's Day to you too, Mom. Because at the end of the day, you only get one mother. Once she's gone, you better cherish her while you have her. So I just want to send a happy special Mother's Day out right now to my mom and all the other mothers out there. A simple song that I'm going to do a little rendition of. It's called Mama Song. Y'all remember, I think it's Boys to Men sung it. Be blessed. Food to my soul. Thank you.